Rain in the forecast, and a lot of high school fans and players going to be wondering if they need an umbrella, a poncho. What's the deal?
The last 3 Fridays in a row, we've been tracking a chance of rain for Operation Football. It's a little frustrating. I love how those teenagers were so pepped up at 6 o'clock
so early in the morning. You can bet in the first class they were snoozing.
Right. And their parents were like, wow, that's a lot of energy at 6 o'clock.
Exactly.
Sure.
Never seen that before.
Yeah, and it's fun to have that to kind of kick off this kind of dreary day. So we have been dealing with some of these showers this morning. We did have a few isolated thunderstorms here and there that did bring some thunder and some lightning. Right now we just have some good old-fashioned showers left over. This was a little bit stronger, but it is totally weakened as it's moving off to the east. And here's a look at our satellite radar. So we had that stronger line of storms that moved through earlier this morning, some lightning with it, and now we just have a few spotty showers on the back end of this at this point. Here's a look at some of those radar estimates, and again, most areas saw between 1/4 to 1/2 inch of rain, but we did have some heavier downpours here in Boone County, just under 1 inch, and also in Tippecanoe County in the southern part, just under 1 inch of rain. So right now, temperatures have been struggling to move much at all. It's 74 degrees in Kokomo, 69 degrees right now in Crawfordsville. Still a lot of clouds around, and because of that cloud coverage, that's going to limit those temperatures from climbing too much today, but we'll still see them climbing likely into the upper 70s and low 80s. I'll get to that in just a moment, but it's 70 right now in Columbus, 71 in Bloomington. Currently kind of a hazy, cloudy sky in downtown Indianapolis, currently 69 degrees. Notice the wind still out of the south. Those will be shifting this weekend out of the northwest, so that's going to be bringing us some much cooler air, and it's breezy at 14 miles per hour. We did have that wet start today, and we also had some really cool clouds. I'll step out of the frame here so you can see this one sent in by Sean Brown. He says, beautiful shelf cloud passing over the north side of Indy. A lot of these were tweeted out, especially from the Fishers area. Very cool art there across the cloudy skies. Much cooler air will move in behind this cold front for the weekend, and we're also going to see a nice work week forecast. I'll get to that in just a moment as well. Here's a look at FUTURETRAK. Notice it is pushing all of this precipitation out of here, but notice as we head into the evening hours, we have the potential of another round. This might be speeding up just a little bit. I think a lot of it will push in after 10 o'clock tonight. So there's a chance of a few showers during Operation Football later on this evening. So here's a look at the breakdown. We'll keep a chance of a few spotty showers this afternoon. Temperatures will climb to around 81. It will be a bit breezy with those winds out of the south-southwest. Later on tonight, definitely bring the rain gear. You may need it. Chance of rain after 7 p.m. and then it becomes likely late tonight into tomorrow. So here's a look at FUTURETRAK. We'll see those scattered showers moving across the area, mainly during the early morning hours tomorrow. So most likely tomorrow afternoon looks like a much better day. It will be breezy though, and cooler too. Check out this high. 73 degrees for the high on Saturday, 72 for Sunday, but Sunday will be a beautiful day of the 2 days, and then as we head into the rest of the work week, we have a gradual warming trend, and it will be beautiful. Naomi?